Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Future Forward AE. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn yourself into an animated Pixar character for free and in less than 5 minutes. And the best part, it's based on you with the help of Midjourney and D ID. So let's get started. Part 1. Midjourney. Step 1. Go to Midjourney on Discord and join one of those newbies channel. Step 2. Upload a front-facing photo of yourself. Make sure that your face is well lit and your entire face is visible in the photo. Step 3. Once you have uploaded your photo, copy the link and write "Imagine then" past the link of the photo followed by this prompt. Sits on a stool, cinematic lighting, holding a microphone, looking into the camera, photorealistic, detailed face, Unreal Engine, Pixar Q2, and your animated Pixar character will appear on the screen. You can find this prompt in the description below. Feel free to copy it or to reuse it. Part 2. Studio.d-id. Now, it's time to animate your character. For this, we will use the tool D-ID. Where is shows, choose a presenter. We click on Add a new one. Once you upload your picture, it's going to show up in the list of presenters. On the right side, we will switch to audio and upload an audio file of our own voice. Once it's uploaded, just hit Generate Video. This process is going to take a minute or two.
And there you have it! You can turn yourself into an animated Pixar character for free, thanks to Midjourney and studio.d-id.com.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.